So, friends, I'm going to tell you about the strategies and about the books. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, firstly, I'm going to show you my planner, and this is how I write my term 1 so I can be prepared for that. And here we have maths and science. Firstly, I'm going to tell you about maths. Firstly, you have to write all the chapters which are coming in your term 1 in all of them. So here I have written all the details, all the things, so it will be not confusing. So yeah, first of all, you have to write all the chapters, and as I have done, I have marked crossover which I have done, like real number, polynomials and linear equations, as you can see. And I have divided them in two categories, as you can see, in easy category and in lengthy category. So it will be easier. You have to do easy chapters in 4 days. So you can see blue with easy and lengthy with pink. So you have to do easy one with within 4 days for each chapter, and for the lengthy one you have to do each chapter in 7 days. And you have to study maths only for 2 hours in a day. So this is not that much, so you can just do it by easily. If you haven't done any of these chapters, so you can do it. So this is for maths. Now I'm going to tell you about science. Science is not that much detail, but I'm going to tell you about a little for this. First of all, you have to apply the first trick, that you have to write all the chapters. So yeah, as I have written all the chapters like I have done in maths, and let me just mark the crossover which I have done or not. Like I have done chemical reactions, acid, base and salts, life process. I have done these 3 chapters, and like I have marked crossover math, but I just forgot to mark it here. So yeah, I have marked cross like which I have done, and I have not done these 3 chapters. So, and one more thing guys, you need to prepare for these 3 chapters which you have done. Means like I have done these 3 chapters, so I'm going to be preparing for that again as a revision. So yeah, and one more thing guys, I write my notes because I can't remember that much. So you not need to write your notes in a separate notebook. You can just write a mark in your book. So yeah, so let's move on to SST. I have told you maths and science, you can just add to SST English and Hindi. As same tip 1, you have to write the whole syllabus which is coming, and I have marked all the things I have done and or not. So I have to do these chapters, and for this SST I'm going to give 1 hour a day because this is not that much important. So that's it for this strategy and planner. Which book do we have to use for practicing and revising? I use NCERT Exemplar for maths and science, because maths and science are like important. So these books are very important and very useful for your more practice, because this book contain MCQ questions. There are so many MCQ questions and short questions and very short questions, then long questions. So I'm going to show you with chapter number 1. I'm going to show you with chapter number 1. Like you can see, there is a concept. Firstly, they have given concept. Then we have our exercises. There are short, long and MCQ based questions. And for science, I use exemplar because in exemplar of science exemplar contains so many MCQ questions which are really very useful for 2021 to 2022. These books contain as same as maths. There are MCQ questions, there are short questions, there are long questions. for each chapters. So there is one more book set which is really very useful. These books are not on the purpose of 2021 and 2022. So yeah, these book does not contain the reduced syllabus. These are the books which are very helpful and important for revising, because they are like the question banks. There are a lots of question in these books. So I just got this pack and I'm just opening this pack. So here we have 4 books: Maths, Science, English and SST. Starting with Science, there are 100 plus MCQ questions and it is reduced syllabus, and this is strictly for 2021 to 2022, and I'm going to show you a little part of this book. So here we have so much colorful books, and yeah, this book contains so many MCQs and assertion based questions. This book even contains notes for your preparation if you are not ready. And now we are going to start with maths. And maths also contain 100 plus MCQ questions and with reduced syllabus, with assertion reasoning MCQ based questions. So these books are like very helpful, and I brought maths, science, because I'm repeating again, maths and science are important. I'm going to show you some part of this book too, so you can see there are a lot of questions for each chapter. And yeah, and if you're not able to understand from this chapter, from this book, so you can just scan this code and you can just go through that chapter. And in science also, this book contains one short video. If you scan this code, so you can just see that one short video, the full and complete chapter. Now English, here we have English book. This book also contains all new MCQs with reduced syllabus, and let me just show you a little part of this book. This book contains the summary of that chapter and the character sketch of that particular character in that chapter and chapter in detail. So you can just see the details of this chapters are given. Now SST, so you can just see this book also contains 100 plus MCQ with map based MCQ questions. So yeah, don't forget to buy these books. And in addition, if you want to buy Hindi books, so you can buy the link in the description box for these books too, and for Hindi also. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more strategies like this.